Imagine standing on the beach. The waves roll in as they always do. But this time, the ocean doesn't just stretch endlessly. It drops into an abyss so deep, sunlight never returns. Twice as deep as it is today. What would happen to Earth if our oceans suddenly became twice as deep? Would life continue as usual, or would our planet transform into something unrecognizable? Let's dive in. If the oceans doubled overnight, the first thing you'd notice is the land disappearing. Coastal cities? Gone. New York, Shanghai, Mumbai, London, swallowed beneath the waves. Only mountain ranges and highlands remain above water. But that's not all. With twice the water comes twice the evaporation. Storm clouds swell, mega hurricanes rage, torrential rain falls endlessly. And the oceans themselves? Their circulation changes completely. The Gulf Stream, which carries warm water across the Atlantic, collapses. Deserts might freeze, tropics could boil. The climate we know today is gone. Right now, Earth's oceans cover about 71% of the planet. The average depth is nearly 3.7 kilometers, and the deepest point, the Mariana Trench, sinks almost 11 kilometers. Now imagine doubling that. Average depth, 7.4 kilometers. Trenches plunging 20 kilometers down. The weight of all that extra water pressing on Earth like never before. This isn't just more water. This is a different world. Now let's journey into the deep. At 20 kilometers down, the ocean is pitch black. Sunlight never reaches here. The pressure is 2,000 times stronger than the air we breathe. A human body? Crushed instantly. Even our most advanced submarines? Flattened like tin cans. But life might still exist. Alien-like microbes feeding not on sunlight, but on chemicals leaking from the seafloor. Creatures with transparent bodies, glowing organs, and skeletons made of metal-like minerals. And perhaps predators so massive and powerful, we may never know they exist, because no human could ever reach them. But doubling the oceans doesn't just affect life, it shakes the planet itself. The weight of the water pushes down on Earth's crust. Tectonic plates shift violently. Earthquakes roar beneath the sea. Volcanoes erupt, meeting the ocean in catastrophic explosions. Mega tsunamis crash across what little land remains. And over time, even the continents might fracture, crumbling under the strain of this new water world. So could humanity survive in this ocean planet? The answer is grim. Cities vanish beneath the sea. Billions are displaced. Farming land shrinks, triggering food shortages. Fisheries collapse, because the deep ocean is too extreme to sustain the species we rely on. Maybe we'd adapt, building floating megacities, constructing artificial islands, relying on lab-grown food instead of farms. But life would never be the same. Every day we'd live under constant storms, unpredictable floods, and an unstable climate. For many, survival might be impossible. Fast forward 10,000 years into this world. Earth no longer looks like the blue and green marble we know. It's become a true water world. Only scattered mountain peaks rise above endless seas. If humans survive, they live in floating cities, giant futuristic arcs drifting on stormy waters. Civilization exists not on land, but on the sea. And evolution may even take us in new directions. Could humans over millennia adapt to life in the water? Stronger lungs, different bodies, a new species, half human, half aquatic? But here's the biggest question. Would deeper oceans make Earth more alive, or less? Some scientists believe the extra depth would trap more carbon dioxide, cooling Earth into a permanent ice age. Others argue that deeper oceans might host new forms of life, making the planet richer than ever before. Either way, humanity would no longer rule, the oceans would. And we'd just be fragile survivors, drifting in the shadow of the deep. So next time you stand by the shore, staring out at the waves, remember, those waters already hold mysteries we barely understand. And be grateful that our oceans are only as deep as they are.